Hey everyone, there's a lot of excitement surrounding Apple's May 7th Let Loose event, especially in light of the anticipated release of the newest iPad Pro lineup. These new iPads appear to have some intriguing changes, according to leaks and insider information. The debut of OLED panels, which would represent a considerable advance in visual quality, is one of the most important rumors. Furthermore, compatibility with other Apple products and simplicity are enhanced with the addition of MagSafe charging capability. The performance aspect is where things get interesting. While initial speculation pointed towards an M3 chip powering these iPads, insider Mark Gurman's latest insights hinted a potential skip to the M4 chip. This move could make the upcoming iPad Pro the first device to feature this new generation of Apple's custom silicon. What's particularly intriguing about the M4 chip is its upgraded neural engine, promising improved performance for AI-related tasks. Gurman even suggests that Apple might position these tablets as its first fully AI-powered device, although specific details about the M4 chip remain undisclosed. With choices for 11-inch and 12.9-inch screens, the new iPad Pro models are anticipated to have a familiar look aside from the chip enhancements. On the other hand, adding OLED screens would greatly improve the entire user experience. Gurman also hinted at a few upcoming accessory features. Haptic feedback may be included in the next Apple Pencil for the first time, which could improve writing and drawing. Furthermore, an updated keyboard accessory that resembles a MacBook keyboard and has an aluminum deck and larger trackpad may provide a more upscale feel. Gurman also alluded to the release of a redesigned keyboard accessory, intended to go well with the upcoming iPad Pro models. There are rumors that the new keyboard will have a larger trackpad with more room for navigation and gestures. In addition, it may have an aluminum deck, which would mimic the appearance and build quality of a MacBook keyboard. This appearance decision may improve the iPad Pro's typing experience, and provide consumers a more upscale, cozy feeling when working or producing content. Tech enthusiasts and professionals are looking forward to the upcoming event even more because of these possible accessory updates, which further demonstrate Apple's commitment to improving the overall user experience and productivity for iPad Pro customers. All things considered, Apple's Let Loose presentation promises exciting advancements for the iPad Pro family, fusing cutting-edge accessories, performance boosts, and improved displays to better user experience. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.